Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some stunning haircut and hair color transformations. First up, we have this beautiful undercut pixie. Beautiful blonde hair color going there at the top portion of the hair. Love the spiky texture that the stylist is creating as well. And if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hairstyle ideas, please be sure to like today's video. And of course, hit that subscribe button so that you can stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So next up, we have this gorgeous mullet style. Beautiful rainbow undercolor style bangs in the front portion of the hair. Very rocker chic and fun hairstyle idea. Next up, we see someone with mid-length hair. Looks like the stylist is kind of doing that thinned out technique where he's thinning out the hair just a bit. The stylist gave her some beautiful waves, gorgeous texture throughout. Next up, we have a bob haircut transformation. And this bob is more of a lob because it does come down past the shoulders. Beautiful color throughout. Then we see another haircut and hair color change. So she ended up getting this beautiful chocolate ombre colored hair. And then we have another ombre hair transformation for the next one. Beautiful color work. And then we have a gorgeous ombre colored bob. And once again, this bob is more of a lob and ends around the shoulders. Gorgeous middle part down the center, simple and chic. So if you guys want to see more inspiring hairstyle ideas, be sure to check out this video next.